Phonics 2, page 10. Let's do the exercises. Let's read. Match the words to the pictures. Okay, there are, how many pictures are there? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there are 4 words also given to you. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct. Okay, let's go one at a time. Can you recognize what is this? Can you recognize what this is? This is a bag. Okay, bag. Can you match the word bag? Bag. You can go through your books and look for bag. Okay, bag. Bag. So where is the bag? Yes, this is the word bag, and you match them. Mash them together. So that is the correct word for bag. Let's read. Bear, bag, bag. Okay, bag. Next, okay, what is this? That is a tag. 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 So where is the tag? Yes. Let's mesh them together and draw the lines. The line, yeah. Let's read. Sound. Tag. Tag. This is the tag. Next. What is the dog doing? It's wagging its tail. So we need to look for wag. 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 So which one is wag? With a W. Yes, correct. W. So let's match them. Yes, that is wag. Next is a rag. Where is it? Yes, this is the rag. So rag. This is a wag. Wag. Okay, before that I need to erase this. What I want you to do is write down the names. Okay, bag. Write down the name, bag. Okay, next is a tag. After that is a wag and a rag. Right? After that, let's go to the next exercise. Look at the pictures and write the words in the boxes. Okay? Okay, what can you see here? What is this? See? What was that just now? It's a rag. So write down here. Rag. Write down the name. Okay, what about this? That is a, yes, it's a bag. This is a bag. Okay, bag. So write down the name. Therefore, fill in the blanks, right, in the boxes. Okay, this is a, in the. Okay, what was it? It's a rag. So we just copy it and write it in the box. Rag. Sorry. Write it properly like this. Rag. A rag in the, yes, in the bag. So we write down bag. A rag in the bag. Yes. After that, we go to the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a tag. It's a tag, and this is also the bag. We just copy tag in the blanks. A tag. A tag. So write down tag on the, what is it? Yes, on the back. A tag on the bag. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, after finish, you can also read, and after that, please color the pictures. Don't forget to color the pictures. Okay, next we go to the next exercise. This exercise you need to look carefully. Okay, we read the instruction first. Circle the correct word for each picture, then write the word. Okay. First picture, what can you see in the first picture? What is the dog doing? Yeah, it's wagging its tail. So which one says wag? Which one says wag? Wag. Is this one or this one? So which one is wag? It begins with the w. Can you point? Yes. This is the correct word. Wag. 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 So after you circle the word, so you need to write this word here. So there are three lines. We have 1, 2, and 3. So write it carefully. W here. A and G. Wag. This is correct, You don't write like this, Write it properly. Like this. Wag. Okay, alright, so we go to the next picture. What is it? It's a tag. Which one is tag? Tag. Tag. Can you do the circle? Can you circle the right word? Yes, it's this word. It's a tag. So after you circle, then you write here. So you watch how I write first. Okay, T. So T. Okay, there are 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And then T here. A tall T. Okay, A and G. Tag. Don't write like this, This is very wrong. Okay. Write it neatly and properly. Tag. Okay. Tag. After that, we move on to the next picture. It's a, what is it? It's a rag. So look for the word rag and circle. Let's go. Yes, this is rag. After that, write the word rag. Okay, look carefully how I write the R. Oops. Okay, R. Rag. rag. Okay, last picture is a bag. Bag. Where is the bag? Where is the word bag? Can you do the circle? Okay, circle. Go. Yes, this is the bag. So write down B, a tall B. This is very tall. Okay, not like this, This is not right. No, not like this. So it's a tall B. Bag. Right? After that, color the pictures. Okay, let's do some revision here. How do we do the revision? Okay, match the phrases. Okay, these are phrases. Okay, these are phrases. Before that, we need to read it. We need to read them. Okay, match the phrases to the pictures. So we have pictures here, 4 pictures. Okay, let's do the reading first, and then we find the correct picture. Okay, the first sentence. A cat on a van. A cat on a van. So where is the cat on the van? Can you find the cat? Point. Yes. Okay, write down the name. So we have cat, write it down. Cat, and we have van. So a cat and a van. Then we match to the correct picture. Okay, we have cat and the van. Okay, next. Okay, a bag. A bag on a mat. A bag on a mat. So where is the bag and where is the mat? Where is the bag? Yes, there is the bag. So write down the name of the bag, and then this is mat. So we have bag and mat. Then we match them together. Match. Okay? After that, the third sentence is here. A rat on the ham. A rat on the ham. We have rat and we have ham. So where is it? Can you find it? Yes. And we write their names. So we have rat and we have ham. Okay, and then we match. After that, we go to the last sentence. Okay, let's read. A rag. A rag on a can. A rag on a can. A rag on a can. So where is it? Yes, this is the rag and this is the can. A rag on a can. So let's match them. After that, you color the pictures. Okay, that's all for today. We'll see you again in our next lesson. Goodbye.